We're here in Los Angeles, California with our math and science program. The kids have just completed an array of activities from college tours to theme parks, and we've had an awesome time.
My favorite part about the TRIO program is that they encourage you in school. They also take you to different places around the city. My favorite thing that we did was maybe Universal Studios. As well as the aquarium, because I like seeing the wildlife in the ocean.
My name is Tiffany Boykin. I'm their advisor. Universal Studios top tier. It was amazing.
Hi, I'm Kayla Brown. I really enjoyed myself. I mean, California is where it's at.
I'm Jordan. I'm 16. I'm a junior. Really cool how I'm doing all this and seeing all these new things. Seeing I grew up on Looney Tunes and All American, Harry Potter, all these cartoons, Friends. I used to grow up on these shows.
I would definitely encourage students to come and join because you're getting help with school, ACT prep, you're getting bridged from program to program. If you have the opportunity, please join TRIO.